Everyone is hungry.
Everyone is hungry.
Yeah. You have this one.
JL, say you are hungry.
I know.
You need to speak for yourself.
Okay, I am hungry.
Good.
Opening this one.
I'm gonna open it.
Yeah.
Our Dominos pizza.
Yeah, well, Domino's.
Will this be enough for 4 people? Okay. It doesn't look like it's gonna be enough for 4 people. Yeah. It doesn't look like it. Baby, stop going to Hey, careful, oh. Careful. The floor is higher than you think.
It's mommy and daddy.
Careful. Hey. You are stronger than I thought, eh? Anything, come and eat. We didn't bring their aprons. I forgot. Anything, go and eat and stop playing. Stop. Hey. Oh, your mighty and powerful body. You see your mighty and powerful body. Say thank you. Say thank you. You didn't say thank you, Nathan. Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thanks for watching this video. We just finished our 21 days fasting and prayers with Swalians and Wallians last month, which is December, towards the end of the year, and we are away to spend some time together as a family. See his mouth. The moment I should look at you.
Yeah.
You're dancing?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not eating, you're just dancing, dear. Oh, now okay. I'm not so sad. He's a power. He's a power. Come and take me.
Daddy, are you okay?
One bed. When anything bad, you have to read. Yeah?
Okay.
Amazing.
The mountain has been moved.
Yeah.
Oh, who's your teeth there? Yeah, baby.
Mommy, Daddy wants to open it.
Okay. Let's see if there's any bottle opener here. I don't have openers. Then use the Lucozade for now.
No,
Drink the Lucozade.
open it. Mommy, open it for Daddy.
So you don't want to use your teeth, I should use my teeth.
Marketing.
But I don't think you can use your teeth. The moment when your husband says you should use your teeth, you use the bottle.
No, I didn't say you. I didn't say you. I did like this. So
Yeah, but there's nothing to use to
no, actually,
open it.
hold on.
Oh, Daddy.
Thank you.
I want to open
People
it.
don't want the chicken, I will finish all the chicken.
Oh, no. Daddy.
Finally.
Daddy, you open this one?
I take. Drink. Give time to anything, okay?
I never leave this
Anytime,
phone
come
alone.
and get drink.
Yeah, I'm still eating.
Come on, you want this one?
What's your mom?
Mommy. Mommy wants it.
Wait a second. Need to cut it like this.
Yeah, it does.
Fine, okay.
So nobody wants the sides.
Hey, Mommy, I want to sit down.
No, mommy needs to sit down first.
Not me.
No.
What you say? I want to please.
I
space. You respect other people's space, okay?
Mommy, I want it, please.
Mommy needs to sit first.
No, I want it.
You're a young girl. You need to stand.
No!
Yes.
I need to sit
You
down.
don't need to.
Yeah, I need to.
No.
No, me.
Yeah, do you want a chicken nugget?
No, I want to sit down.
If people should enjoy once a last. Come we get home, you're not gonna get these drinks. Everybody is taking advantage.
Yeah.
Once you eat.
After the fast you eat.
Then we're going to go into another fast, okay? Eat fast, you can.
When soccer and you play like
We don't do the fast, we are the one that do the fast.
over now.
So we're going to do another one. Yeah?
That was a week after the fast, we go on the fast. Janette, where are you? Why did you get that? There's somebody here exploding. What was your drink? Wonder. Food is over now, you finish. You want to go and play? Have you tidied up? Tidy up before you go and play.